Now, my dear children, as we are talking about question number 1b, do as directed. The first already we have seen. In the second also, attempt any one. And in that attempt any one, very simple this is, add a suffix or a prefix. Here also some ideas, some clues are there. I am going to discuss with you. The question would be asked like this: add a suffix or prefix. Two words will be given and you have given freedom whether you are going to write add or whether you are going to add suffix or prefix. You can add suffix to both the words, you can add prefix to both the words, you can add suffix to one word, prefix, it's up to you. Is that clear? Okay. Then, if you are not able to do this question, then or is given to it, and or is make a meaningful sentence by using, again same both the words are given. Now we will, first of all we will do this. Close, lucky. Can you add any suffix or prefix to it? Close, disclose. Very good. So disclose is a prefix. Now whether it is a prefix or suffix, that is not our part. Only adding प्रत्यय, कुठला तरी एक प्रत्यय लावायचा, तो पूर्वी लावायचा किंवा नंतर लावायचा. So close, disclose. Very good. Lucky, unlucky. So this is very simple one. This is there for 1 mark. Half mark close, half mark lucky. And if you are not able to do this, the next one is make a meaningful sentence by using close or lucky. Here you people have written disclose. We are not going to use the word disclose. We are going to use the word close only. One thing you people can do. You people can write closed, closing. That can be okay. It means forms of verbs. Now, close is there. Please close the door. Correct. I close the window. If you want to say closed, I close the window. I close the book. Or Radha closed the book. Or Mahesh closed the door. In this way, you people going to write a meaningful sentence. Lucky. Okay, I am very lucky. Perfect. I am very lucky to get good marks. Or my friend is very lucky to get a ticket. So in this way, you can use both the sentences in the meaningful sentence. In this way, you can use both the words and you can make a meaningful sentence. Did you understand this? Then go to the next one. One more example we will see. Agree and courage. Agree, you can write agreement, you can write disagree. It's up to you. Or you can write both, disagree or agreement. Go to the next one. Courage, encourage, encouragement, courageous, it's up to you. Now, but when you will make meaningful sentence, you will use these words as it is. Did you understand? Go to the next example. We will see one example. Please pay attention because it was asked in the board exam. And the examples are care and healthy. Can you add any suffix or prefix to it? Careful. Very good. Or careless. You can write two suffix or prefixes. It's up to you. Healthy, unhealthy. Use both the words to make a meaningful sentence. Care. I care for my parents. My mother is taking care. No problem. Unhealthy. Healthy. Eat only healthy food. Or Mahesh is a healthy boy, or my friend is very healthy. What I mean to say, use these words as it is. So adding suffixes and prefixes, 1 mark is there if you are not able to do it, or use both the sentences, both the words, use both the words in a sentence. So did you understand? So this question is very easy one. Add a suffix or prefix to the given words, or make a meaningful sentence by using these words. So in this way, my dear children, here we end up with this activity, that is activity number 1B. We have cleared 1A and 1B. Here we end up with the section 1. Now we will see section 2, that is textual passage, which are going to come from our textbook.